If your GoDaddy WordPress site is showing a 404 error, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix pretty quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common solutions step by step, so you can get your pages loading again without guessing. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple WordPress fixes just like this. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is go to your WordPress login page by typing yourdomain/wp-admin in your browser. Once the login page loads, sign in using your WordPress credentials. After you're inside the dashboard, the next thing to check is whether your permalinks are broken, because this is one of the most common reasons for a WordPress 404 error on GoDaddy. On the left-hand menu, click Settings, then choose Permalinks. You do not need to change anything here. Just click Save Changes. This forces WordPress to refresh your permalink structure and often fixes broken links immediately. After saving, go back and refresh your website to see if the 404 error is gone. If the page still isn't working, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Sometimes your browser is loading an old, broken version of the page even after the site has been fixed. In your browser, click the three dots menu, go to Delete Browsing Data, and make sure cached images and files are selected. Then clear the data and reload your site. If that still doesn't solve it, the issue may be caused by a plugin. Plugin conflicts are another very common reason WordPress pages suddenly return 404 errors. To test this, go back into your WordPress dashboard and open Plugins, then Installed Plugins. Disable all plugins temporarily. Once they're disabled, refresh your site again and check if the page starts working. If the 404 error disappears, then one of your plugins is causing the problem. At that point, enable the plugins back one by one, refreshing the site each time until you find the exact plugin that is creating the issue. Once you identify it, you can replace it, update it, or leave it disabled if you don't need it. If the site is still broken after all of that, the problem may be deeper, but in many cases, simply resaving your permalinks and disabling a conflicting plugin will fix a GoDaddy WordPress 404 error fast. So just to recap, log in to WP-admin, go to Settings and Permalinks, click Save Changes, refresh your site, clear your browser cache, and then test by disabling plugins one by one. These are the fastest and safest steps to troubleshoot the issue without making unnecessary changes. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, website troubleshooting tips, and beginner-friendly step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.